This is the Wilka Primus VX. I might need a deeper hook. A little click out of one. It wasn't really binding much. I don't know if that hook is even deep enough. A little click out of 3 and 4. Six, so now I'm in a false set, so I lifted 2, got a little bit deeper false set. Getting counter rotation when I lift up on 2. I think I'm slipping off of the pin when I'm lifting it. All right, so 2 set. Some things dropped. All right, so 3 dropped. So what else is binding? Getting a little bit of counter rotation out of that one. There we go. So this has side pins, so I'm assuming that maybe some kind of trap. Yep, so right there it stopped. Now I'm just trying to find these pins. There we go. All right, let's get this thing gutted. So this thing came with the world's most annoying clip, just a brass ring that's crimped on here, and you got to deform it to get it off, and it never goes back on right. So I just replaced it with that. A long cylinder. So there's the side pins. I'm going to go ahead and take those out first. These are drill protection pins. So there's a plug, no milling or anything. Just these. I didn't have to hit any of these. I think that technically you're supposed to have to set one of them maybe to get the core to turn, but I think I got a little click as soon as I tensioned it. So I'm thinking it's set as soon as I tensioned it, but obviously they turn into trap pins when you 360 it. So just had to set those just when I 360'd it. Standard, I know there's at least 2 spool pins in here. I think the rest of them felt like they were standard pins. Yeah, so basically you're just picking it until you get a false set, and then you got to set the spools and then take care of the trap pins. So there they are. Whoop. So fun lock, trap wasn't all that bad. I think the biggest thing was just getting a deep enough hook to get all the way up into that keyway to set those pilot pins. So that is the Wilka Primus VX.